What is up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexis Kimberly. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. As you guys can see, this is a little bit of it's not really like a vlog, but I figure I would just like kind of carry you guys along with me while I do part of my wash day routine today. It's Saturday morning, it's a beautiful day, and I figure why not just like wash my hair and get a head start on the weekend. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I'm actually gonna be showing you guys how I do my pre-treatments. And I don't really talk about pre-treatments on my channel. I actually don't really do pre-treatments even that much in my regular life. But I figure I need to give my hair a little extra TLC. It's a little bit dry and it needs a little bit extra care this week. So I am going to be doing an Olaplex treatment as well as a hot oil treatment. So you guys get to come along with me and watch me do this. I've got my steamer set up in the back. I don't know if you can see that yet, right there. She's set up, ready to go. So let's get started. And thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. Please hit that like button. If you're not subscribed, then you should be subscribed. Like, we post content, we do things here. So like, you need to be part of this fam, okay? So definitely do that and stay tuned to the end of this video. And I just want to give a big shout out and thank you to Originals by Africa's Best for sponsoring this video. All right, guys, let's go. Okie dokie, so let's get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do for my pre-treatment is an Olaplex treatment. I have a whole video on Olaplex, definitely watch that. I'm gonna link it up above. But I love Olaplex. It's a bond builder, so it's gonna strengthen the bonds within your hair shaft. So anytime I'm feeling like my hair is a little bit weak, I will definitely reach for Olaplex. You can use it on a weekly basis. You can use it on a bi-weekly basis. I'm actually gonna take my water bottle. This is just my spray mister. There's no water in it right now, but I am gonna fill it up with water right now. And I actually fill it up with warm water because I just wanna get my hair, my cuticles, I want them to open up so that it can let in all of that good Olaplex, all that good treatment in. So I want to begin that process. So I'm going to put warm water in my water bottle. I've already detangled my hair here. It's just up in this silk scrunchie right now. I'm going to section my hair off into 4 sections. Honestly, doesn't need to be neat. Now I am going to let down one of the sections and spray it with the warm water to get it damp. You want to use Olaplex when your hair is damp. That's what is on the instructions. So that is what I do. So I'm going to pretty generously spray and then just work the hair down the length of my hair, just to get that water fully seeped in. So now I am going to add in a little bit of Olaplex. So, I would say like about a quarter size per section, but obviously it's gonna depend on how thick your hair is. But for me, I like to use a lot. And yes, Olaplex is expensive, but it does the job and it makes your hair so much stronger. And I'm gonna go in with a little bit more. All right, so then maybe, I keep saying like, oh, it's a dime size. It's a nickel. It's a quarter. Okay, it's a lot, all right? It's a lot. I probably go in with like, I don't know, 3 dime size worth, maybe something like that. 3 or 4. Now I feel like it's fully in there. I feel like I've got enough product. So I am gonna take my detangling brush. This is the Ultimate Detangler by Tangle Teezer. It looks a little dirty. It just has my hair in it. Don't judge me. I recently, as in within the last like year or year and a half, bought all these different detangling brushes. And when I tell you that it has changed my like experience with detangling my hair, like it's night and day. So I'm actually going to start from the ends and just work my way up to my scalp and detangling it. It's really not even detangling it because my hair is already detangled, but I just want to make sure that the Olaplex like fully penetrates and is evenly distributed. You know what? I've already started twisting my section, but the annoying person in me is actually gonna go in with a little bit more Olaplex. This is what I actually like to do even when I like condition my hair. Even after I've applied the conditioner in my hair and like detangled it through to evenly distribute the product, I then go in with another dime size amount, and then just use that amount to twist up my hair. it sounds crazy, but strangely enough, when you detangle your hair, when product is already in it, it somehow, at least it feels like it lays my cuticle down, so that when I then go to reapply the product after I've already detangled it, it soaks into my hair so much better. I don't know, tell me if that makes sense, and like if you know what I'm talking about. I love this brush because it feels so good on my scalp. It feels like a scalp massage. Oh my God. Okie dokie. So all my sections are done. Everything has the Olaplex. My hair is already feeling much softer. I'm gonna just put this is like a processing cap, and I just put it over everything like so. And I let it I just let my body heat, my natural body heat, be the thing that processes this thing. So the instructions don't ask for any sort of heat application after putting this on. So I'm gonna follow the instructions. It says to leave it on for at least 10 minutes, and you can leave it on for longer. So I don't know exactly how long I'm gonna leave it on. I might leave it on for like 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna rinse it out, and then I'll come back. So it has been 20 minutes, and I have since rinsed out the Olaplex. I am towel drying my hair per the instructions for what's next, which is the oil treatment. So today I'm gonna be going in with the Originals by Africa's Best Carrot Tea Tree Oil Therapy. It is meant to repair, restore, stimulate, and revitalize and rejuvenate the hair and scalp. It's enriched with tea tree oil, carrot oil, kiwi oil, jojoba oil, cucumber, ginseng, sage, thyme, aloe, and herbal extracts. So definitely immediately gravitated to all of those ingredients. The instructions say that you can use this as an oil treatment, which is what we're gonna be using it for today. I'm gonna be using it as a hot oil treatment, but as a pre-treatment. The instructions do say after shampooing you can use this, but I'm just choosing to do it before shampooing. And it says to heat the product to a warm temperature first, and then apply it to towel dried hair. So I already have towel dried hair. I'm gonna go and heat this up. And it says to cover the hair with a warm towel or a plastic cap for 10 minutes. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna follow the instructions pretty much to a T, with the exception of the fact that I'm using it as a pre-treatment. And I'm also going to be using my handy dandy steamer to just sort of enhance the results. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna heat this up, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I heated it to a warm temperature, and I am going to apply it to my hair. I guess honestly, I'm gonna just probably split my hair in half and apply it in quarters like I did with the Olaplex. So literally I just have this in a bowl, my oil treatment. Can you see that? I don't want to spill it. I have it in a bowl, and I heated it up in the microwave, but like obviously you could use a better method for heating it up. You could put it you know, over the stove, whatever. I was just lazy. So I am adding the oil to my hair as we speak, just dipping my hand in the bowl and smoothing it through my hair just like this. Oh my God, my hair feels so soft. I definitely notice a difference applying it on towel dry hair as opposed to dry hair. When I used to do oil treatments, I did not apply it to damp hair. Like I just applied it to my hair and then sat under either a dryer or some sort of heat source to like have it penetrate. But you definitely gotta have it start off wet first so that it actually penetrates the cuticle, as opposed to just having it sit on top of your hair. And that's why like the instructions say, I'm just massaging this into my hair at this point. That's why the instructions say to apply it with warm while it's warm, because you want to get your cuticles opened up. And that's why also like I'm gonna enhance the process by going under my steamer, because I know that my steamer is going to open up my cuticle even further and get this product deep into my hair. So that is what I am doing right now as I massage my scalp. Oh yeah, my hair is completely saturated with it. All right, let me just use the last bit that I have going in this bowl right here. Let me just use the rest of that, because we ain't wasting no product out here, honey. Put a plastic cap on. Whoop. and let this sit for 10 minutes under my steamer. So I'm gonna take this off. It's been about 10 minutes or so, maybe a couple minutes after. Oh wow, my hair is really feeling really soft, really movable, really flexible, if that makes sense, like really elasticy. Honestly, if I was to do this consistently, my hair would be a lot more moisturized. And now I just have to actually commit to it because I generally take the lazy girl route with these things, but if I wanted to do this more often, this would definitely be the thing to do. A combination, the Olaplex and the hot oil treatment, I think is a really nice combination. My hair feels super soft, super lightweight. Obviously it still has residual like excess oil on it, but it feels very soft. And I feel like my hair is ready to shampoo. Like when I go in the shower and I shampoo, I know my hair is gonna feel super duper soft. So this was actually a really positive experience. I'm glad that I actually like dusted off my steamer and decided to use it again because I forgot how much I love it. And honestly, I think that this method of using the hot oil treatment in first, like adding warm water to your hair first, towel drying, and then heating up the oil, then applying it, then going under the steamer, like mwah, like perfect combination to have like a really great result. My hair feels so soft and fluffy and just like perfectly good for shampooing. You never want to like jump into the shower when you're about to shampoo and your hair is already super brittle, because the shampooing process, just by nature of shampooing, dries it out. So to have already started out with a strong moisturized base to shampoo is phenomenal. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I had a lot of fun filming it. This is definitely a pre-treatment routine that I want to keep up with. If you like this video, then definitely give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, please, to join the family. We definitely have more content coming out for you guys. And then again, I do want to give a big thanks to Africa's Best for sponsoring this video and sharing with me some of their products. This definitely opened my eyes to doing oil treatments more often. So this was really good. My hair feels super soft, super fluffy, very moisturized, way better than I started. Like, this is like the perfect way to start your shampooing process for wash day. So again, if you like this video, then definitely give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this one. Until next time, guys, I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.